Well, Scott, I'm from Texas, and I'm not used to the weather out here in Missouri. So what
You'll
kind of
get used
weather
to
are
it.
we bringing into the new
You'll
year?
get used to it, but yeah, I mean, so what you're experiencing right now is a little bit below normal temperatures, but not much. So, yeah, welcome to Northwest Missouri. It's not Texas, but you'll appreciate that in July, I imagine. As we take a look at the almanac, normal high would be 38 degrees. We got up to 34 today. Yesterday we were up to 50, so a lot cooler today thanks to that cold front that passed through overnight. Record high 64. That was back in 1965. Low temperature so far today, 30. Normal is 18, 10 below the record low. That was in 1976. No precipitation, and that's it for the year. So we're going to finish the year about 4.5 inches below normal. But we did do some catching up around Christmas time, and that's good. The clouds that we've had through the day today are going to be slow to get out of here, but they will eventually. You can see the back end of them up here in Nebraska, kind of clearing through the Omaha area right now. And it is moving slowly to the south and to the east, and so it'll clear out eventually, and maybe by the time we get up in the morning, but certainly during the morning tomorrow. 30 degrees is our temperature right now. 23 is the dew point. The humidity 75%. Winds out of the north-northwest at 12 miles an hour, and the barometer is rising. Around northwest Missouri, northeast Kansas, you can see we've got this light breeze coming in out of the northwest, and that's what we're going to have as we go through the night tonight. Temperature-wise, pretty seasonable, really. 30 degrees here and 30 at Trenton, also at Cameron, Bethany, Maryville, 29 at Mound City, 28 at Rockport, that's the cool spot, 29 at Falls City. Temperatures will drop down into the low 20s, well, low to mid 20s tonight, so really not too bad at all. Around the four states, a lot of 30s, especially in Missouri and eastern Kansas. When you get a little further out into Kansas, you're into and up into Iowa and Nebraska 20s, and then you get into the teens out in the high plains, out in North Platte and Goodland, and it's always a little colder out there at nighttime this time of year anyway. As we look at tomorrow, New Year's Day, well, it's going to be, we're going to have some sunshine, well, especially in the afternoon, and we may see sunshine in the morning. It depends on how fast these clouds clear out. We're going to have a high temperature tomorrow, about 36 degrees. Our normal high is 38, so we're going to still be a little bit below that tomorrow, but we'll get up above it as we go through the week. As we look at how temperatures have been over the last couple of weeks, go back to mid-December below normal, and then we had several days in a row where we were quite a bit above normal in terms of high temperatures. Then right around Christmas time, cooled back down, stayed there for a couple of days. Yesterday we were at 50. Now let's look at what the next 5 days are going to be like with a mix of clouds and sunshine. 36 tomorrow, goes up to 43 on Tuesday, and then 38 Wednesday, 35 Thursday, 40 on Friday. So again, our normal high is 38. We're just going to kind of be right around 38 as we go through the first full week of 2024. Looking around the country, it's really pretty quiet. Now out here on the West Coast, they're kind of between storms right now. You heard that in the story that we had just a moment ago, and there will be a new system moving onto the West Coast, but that's not going to happen until Tuesday. So they're getting a little break from the weather that brought them all those big waves and everything. We do have some snow out here in the Great Lakes area. That's not heavy snow at all, and there is some rain down in the southern areas, but that's going to dissipate over the next 24 to 48 hours, so not a big system at all. And the clouds around here, as you can see, there's the clearing line, so we're going to clear out eventually, but it's going to be cloudy a little while longer. Tonight, mostly cloudy, down to 22 for an overnight low. Winds out of the north-northwest at 6 to 10 miles per hour tonight, so just a light breeze. If you're going to be out for New Year's Eve celebrating, just remember it's going to be a little chilly. You'll need a jacket. Decreasing clouds tomorrow, and once the clouds clear out, we should have sunny skies from then on. So yeah, maybe that'll help the temperature get above even 36, but 36 is what we're looking for a high tomorrow. Winds are going to start coming at us out of the northwest, but by afternoon they'll be turning and coming from the southwest, 5 to 7 miles per hour. And then as we look ahead, Tuesday, sunshine, mixture of clouds and sun, 43, 38 on Wednesday, 35 on Thursday, 40 for a high on Friday, and we got a 30% chance of rain Friday night. That might carry in, well, I say rain, precipitation Friday night into Saturday morning, and then Saturday and Sunday look to be a mix of clouds and sunshine, upper 30s for highs, mid 20s for lows. Josepher?